Hello all. If you are interested in seeing how to make these beautiful bling glamorous motel keychains, rhinestone junk keychains, stay tuned and I will show you how to create these beauties in 5 minutes or less. This is a very easy beginner project. Let's go. Well, hello all. Welcome to Trade Despo. For those who are new, welcome. For those who have been here, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do these bag tag motel keychains. So simple. As if you usually watch me, you know most of my projects are, but the result is phenomenal. This is probably going to be one of the easiest tutorials we've done in a long time. I just wanted to come on camera and show you before I go through the whole steps of it, the items we're going to use, because you're going to be, at the end of the video, you're going to be like, wow, this was so easy, I can't believe it. So the things that we're going to use for this video is most of the supplies I got from Hobby Lobby, and I heard through the grapevine, and I'm going to try to go out there tomorrow, but I heard they're having one of those clearance orange tag sales, so I'm going to buy some more of these because I just think these are like the cutest little gifts, and especially since Mother's Day coming up. These are Bling junk keychains, and I use these hotel keychains from Hobby Lobby. These are the clear ones, and these are some flat clear ones, which is what I use to make these. And I use these pink motel keychains. And these are all from Hobby Lobby, but you can buy them off of Amazon, and I'll have some links to those also. And I used the Bead Design Company. It's these little butterflies. They are too cute. And it's these clear iridescent butterflies. So they made the majority of these keychains. I stuck it on there. And there was some roses and also some bling, and I used rhinestones in there as well. Hence why they call it junk, because there's a whole different mediums that's used in here. I also use this Bead Design Company. These were $5.49. However, when you go like every other week to Hobby Lobby, for those who aren't familiar, they have like a sale every other week. It might be 40-50% off. So this $5.49, I probably really only paid like $2-3 for it. And then I also got these from Bead Company. It's these like resin roses. But with these junk keychains, be free to use whatever type of embellishments you want. But this is what we're going to use for this. I haven't used these. Chip, stop. My daughter's dog. I haven't used these yet, but I want to use it in this tutorial. This is Bead Design Company, and it's a nice, cute, transparent, iridescent bling. And with these keychains, with different types, I also use glitter. For this one, we're going to use this white iridescent glitter. Of course, we have a little cup. We have a wooden stir stick. And the most important thing, we're going to use this JDiction UV Resin High Viscosity UV Resin. You can get a single or they come in a 3-pack. I use this for all my resin projects. And we're going to use this. It's Toyo UV LED light. It's a 2-pack. But you'll see it when I get ready to use it. But this is just an introduction so you can see all the things I've used. And this project probably from start to finish is going to take a total of 5 minutes tops. You could like mass produce this type of keychain And they're sturdy and permanent, as long as, you know, somebody doesn't sit there and try to twist it off or anything. But even if they do, they're going to have a heck of a time trying to get rid of these. So let's use our creativity. These are, again, good for Mother's Day gifts. Putting it with baskets and whatnot. Quick project. Let's get started.